Batuk was a nature-loving bear who resided close to a beautiful, lush green forest. He deeply cherished the cool shade of the trees, their sweet fruits, and the refreshing breeze. One day he observed that in several spots, trees had been felled, causing the temperature to rise considerably. The poor birds were finding it increasingly difficult to locate any suitable places to sit. Concerned, Batuk gathered the children and thoughtfully suggested they all begin planting more trees. He explained that trees provide us with oxygen, bring much-needed rain, and help keep the earth cool. Everyone worked together to plant many small saplings. They diligently watered them every single day and carefully looked after them. After a little while, the young plants began to grow larger, and the entire forest turned green once more. Batuk felt very happy, and all the children truly understood the great importance of protecting nature. The moral is planting trees is absolutely essential for the well-being of both our planet Earth and all life.